எஸ், வீடு, ஸ்கூல்ஸ், ஹோட்டல்ஸ், ஸ்டோர் ரூம் இங்கெல்லாம் பார்ட்டிஷன் வால் கட்டணும்னாலும்
இப்போ பில்டிங் போனஸோட ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சாய்ஸ்
Renocon Rapid Wall Panels.
संगठन सृजन अभियान program which was started after the Ahmedabad session of the Congress party, in which Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge ji and our young leader of the opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi ji, decided to dedicate 1 year for the Sangathan Sirjan Abhiyan, so that the District Congress Committee President's selection, so that Executive Committee members selection, and also Political Affairs Committee member selection can be done with the input from each and every worker of each and every block falling under that district. The whole idea is that there was a thought process that somewhere the organization structure of the Congress party as compared to other political parties is weak. In order to overcome that, the party decided to start this exercise, which has been done very successfully in many states of the country. And if I talk of states like Gujarat, Jharkhand, Telangana, Haryana, Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, and so many, and now Himachal Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and so on. And the target of the Congress party is to complete this process within this year, so that we have District Congress Committee presidents, whether existing ones or the new ones, in a transparent manner, after listening to the people of the blocks, Congress party workers and leaders who have worked in the party in the past, those who have experience of the grassroots level, either by virtue of serving the party as block presidents, city presidents, or by virtue of getting elected either to the Panchayat Samiti elections, Block Samiti elections, Zilla Parishad elections, or maybe the city president's election, corporators elections. Anybody who is competent, anybody who feels that he is capable, all the young and senior leaders feel that they can run the district in a much more better way. All of them are coming forward, filling up their forms so that they can mention their past experience in the party, and then that experience can be put up to the leadership. And from our side, 6 names will be put up, from Mahilas, ladies also, men's also, so that more people get an opportunity to be a part of the organization structure which will be constituted in the days to come, whether it's a District Congress Committee President selection is concerned, whether a Political Affairs Committee's constitution is concerned, or Executive Committee's constitution is concerned. I feel very strongly that people who have been loyal to the party, so loyalty towards the party, those people who have not left the party in last 5 years, those people who have continuously worked for the party, they will be given preference. Those people who do not have any criminal background, they will be given preference. People who are with criminal background cases, while they were doing some kind of agitation for the party, they will be exempted from there. And people who are involved in criminal activities, they will not be eligible to be a part of the process. They will not be eligible to become a part of the process. And I strongly feel that the kind of enthusiasm I am seeing here today in Trichapalli North District, where many people have come forward from all the 4 assembly segments falling under this district, and through this entire media people who have come, I am trying to transmit a message to each and every block, to each and every worker of the Congress party, to say that please come forward and help Congress party build a very good structure. I have come from Punjab. My name is Vijay Inder Singla. I am the joint treasurer of the Congress party at the national level. I look after the party properties and assets as an in charge. I am a CWC member and a former minister and a member parliament from Punjab. I request all my brothers, sisters here in Trichapalli, in Trichy district, North and Town district, that they should all come forward, help me, give their inputs, so that we are able to put the right people on the right positions, so that Congress party should get strengthened here. Future of the Congress party should become more brighter in this entire state as we are going for elections in next year. I am quite sure that with the participation of more and more number of people in this Sangathan Sirjan Abhiyan and the process which is going on in the entire state, with the help of Congress workers and leaders, we will be able to constitute a good team of people. And I want to further clarify that there are inputs being taken from every leader. There are inputs being taken from former ministers, former PCC president, former DCC presidents, AICC members, PCC members, block presidents, former DCC presidents, and even each and every worker. And I am quite sure, and I want to tell everybody that there will be no pressure when we observers who come from different districts, different states of the country, there will be no pressure on us to appoint a particular person. We will propose a panel of 6 people, and out of that, one person will be nominated as a DCC president. And I request all the media people to circulate this message as far as possible in the entire state, so that more and more people become a part of the Sangathan Sirjan Abhiyan, and all the observers who have come from different states like me, they are able to make a good decision, because this decision will be in the interest of the party. And if we make a good decision, every Congress worker gets strengthened, every Congress leader gets strengthened. So I urge upon the people of Tamil Nadu, I urge upon the people of Trichy, I urge upon the people of Trichy North and Trichy Town, that more and more people who feel they are competent to lead the party in their respective districts, they should come forward. We have circulated a form, and everybody can fill up the form. He can mention his past achievements in that form, and after filling up that form can be sent to me on WhatsApp also. Physical form will also can be given to me. I am in Trichy today and tomorrow, and again I will come for 3-4 days, after 2-3 days, and I will announce my program again. Anybody wanting to meet me in person, one-to-one, wants to send me an SMS message, no problem, I am always available for your inputs. That is all I want to say. Thank you very much. Sangathan Sirjan Abhiyan.
நீங்க இந்த நிர்வாக இந்த இது சம்பந்தமானதை மட்டும் பத்தி பேசுங்க.